Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have here a property that is located in the quiet and well-developed Seville housing scheme in St. Anne's Bay. The property is within walking distance to the Prairie Beach and is minutes away from Ocho Rios and Runaway Bay. It is a great investment property as property value in this area continues to increase and are highly sought after by young professionals and returning residents alike. The land area of this house is 6,000 square feet. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 30 million or US $194,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.